Hey guys.
You're with the Fergusons, and today we have a really exciting video for you. We are going to be basically road testing vintage recipes. Well, we put it out there to our amazing followers on Instagram and Facebook, and you guys gave us some incredible recipes to give a go. We took some of your suggestions, we made them yesterday, and today we are going to be trying them. So, exciting stuff.
I'm a bit nervous. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh.
I think we turned out pretty good.
I don't know. There's some pretty interesting ingredients that goes into some of these things.
Yeah.
And there's a good mix of weird, like, savoury and sweet.
Yeah, they were very adventurous, I'd have to say.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
My poor tummy. I
Yeah.
feel already.
I know.
It's gonna be bad.
I mean, have we got Gaviscon?
So for the very first dish that we're going to try, it is an appetizer. And it is Worcestershire apples. Stewed apples.
Hang on, what was that? What was that again, babe?
Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
Oh my god. So they've basically been stewed in sugar. So it's a half an apple being stewed in half sugar, Worcestershire sauce. Oh my god, it's so hard. Worst of the Shire sauce. And it basically makes this really gooey sauce, and the apples get nice and stewed.
Should we give it a crack?
Should we just see? Yeah.
We'll give it a shot.
Alright, okay.
I'm in. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Here we go.
I'm not in. Wait, you're tasting without me.
Sorry.
Wait. Okay.
It's strange. It's salty and sweet. I don't even know, really. It's like not quite caramel. It's not really a caramel.
Oh. Like I get what they were trying to do.
I don't get it.
Because they were doing like a sweet and savoury mix, but
Good, yeah, okay, fair enough. I just reckon someone had some leftover Worcestershire sauce in the cupboard and some shitty apples. I don't know.
I can't even, I'm not even good. So what are we doing next?
Well, next is a good one. Pretty excited with this one. It's pretty visual.
Yeah.
It's going to be... Oh, that was so magical. That we just transported here, unbelievably.
Along with the smell of egg.
Wow.
Gelatin salad.
Wow. Gelatin salad.
Yeah.
What goes into this, Ali?
Well,
Tell me.
I mean, I guess the idea was that it was kind of marketed to housewives to use the remainder of their salads from like the night before.
So it's just leftovers thrown in jelly.
Leftovers thrown in jelly, basically.
Yummy.
So you were the connoisseur of this dish. We've got some eggs.
Tomato, celery.
Suspended in some lime jelly.
I think there's some radishes in there.
Yeah.
In lime jelly.
In lime jelly. So give me a big bit of egg.
I will. I want to cut the egg in half. I want to split it right down the middle. Oh, look at it go.
Oh.
Oh, that's so weird. Well, that was pretty good actually.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's delightful.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Honey.
Alright, I'm going straight for the egg. Don't muck around.
Oh gosh.
It's green!
Oh no.
No.
What? Is that bad?
It's not great. It's not great. Oh my god.
Oh, really bad.
Egg and lime. I wonder if they had a different kind of jelly though.
Oh, this is ruining breakfasts.
Right, have you got tomato?
No, I don't have tomato. I don't have tomato.
Get some
I don't want
tomato.
it. I'll have a radish. I don't know. I just don't understand why this was like a thing. Like, I mean, the 50s and like it's an amazing time.
Thing is that it can look good, but it's got to taste good.
Yeah.
I feel like the jelly was different, maybe. Was the jelly different to what it is now?
I don't know.
Like, was there a savoury jelly?
Pretty
Like
sure aeroplane jelly has been around for at least 60, 30 years.
Yeah.
All right, let's clean up this mess and let's get on to the next one.
Next one.
I think we might need to bring someone else in to try
Yes.
this food. Someone with a more established palate than ours.
Yes.
And by established, I kind of mean maybe someone who might have been around in the 50s eating such food. I don't know, maybe. Right, so who's our little surprise guest today? What? Who's this?
This is the original Ferguson.
This is Mr. Ferguson version 1. I'm 2. This is my father, Mr. Raymond Ferguson.
The original Fergie.
Welcome to the show.
I'm glad to be here. Yes.
Are you excited to try some things?
I'm excited. I'm always excited. I was brought up on this
Blood,
food.
sweat and tears food.
Jeez.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
No wonder they never got sick back in the day.
Oh no.
His guts of iron.
Yes, no, we lived very well. My word. Pig's trotters. Oh yes. Yes. Tripe. Huh, yes.
What's tripe?
Black pudding.
Oh, they just sound terrible. What's black pudding?
Blood.
Like
Yeah.
pig's blood?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah, I've heard about it. Haven't tried it.
Oh, yes.
Jeez.
Yes, yes.
I can't wait anymore. I think we need to
Alright.
have this. Okay.
Yeah.
So should we just bewitched it and magically put it kind of just about? Wow, magical. Here is our beautiful spam dish.
Yes. So this is a spam and cheese ribbon loaf.
It's got a little bit of grated onion. It's got some lemon juice. It's got some salt, some parsley, and cream cheese, of course. And it's all kind of mushed up and
Yeah.
stuck between a spam that has been sliced into pieces.
Oh, look at that.
Hey,
Look at that.
I don't think you can see it there.
Oh, it smells. It
Yeah.
actually stinks.
Sounds like it's been around since 1953.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Oh, it's got nice. I like the squeeziness. Bit of squeeze.
Yeah. It's making my taste buds
about
do
this.
things at the back. Like,
Your
I
jaw.
feel like my taste buds are swollen.
Do you remember eating something like this, Dad?
I did.
All right. So we
Had it in
have
my lunches at school.
spam
Yes.
sandwich.
Yes, in a sandwich at school.
I don't mind it.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's good.
So, what deliciousness should we expect next?
Well, this one's, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be a party favourite or not, but it's,
I'm a little bit scared. I'm seriously a little bit scared with this one.
should we bring it out?
Please.
Let's do it.
Oh!
Oh, is it there? Oh,
It's there.
Oh, God!
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
So, my
Look at it.
friend,
Ah.
we have a tuna jelly salad.
oh, wow.
Again with the gelatin, but this time around we have a lovely mix of cottage cheese, jelly, tuna. Yum.
I think there's like mayonnaise in that.
Yeah.
Oh my
onion.
gosh.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
you excited?
I'm excited.
That's
I
exciting.
haven't seen this since 1954.
There we go.
Yeah, true.
There we go.
True.
It looks like a nipple.
It does.
Yeah. Perhaps I haven't seen.
You haven't seen my lips?
No, I won't go there. No, but shimmy, shimmy.
Now you gotta get everything on your fork.
Yeah, try.
Gotta do.
So,
you gotta do
tuna,
lemon.
Tuna,
Jelly,
jelly.
cottage cheese, mayo, onion. Oh wow.
Okay. Did you see?
Oh.
Okay. All right. I'm going in.
Alright.
We're in.
It's not that bad.
That's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
That's nice. It
It's
is.
not that bad.
Why is that not bad?
Why is that
Oh.
not bad?
It's strangely okay.
It is.
You like you? Yeah.
Oh,
You genuinely like it?
what Mum used to make. It really is. No, it's true. No, it's not.
If you don't
Very nice.
think about what you're
Yeah.
eating, it's kind of okay.
Oh, yeah.
This was the one I was dreading the most. But
Yeah. It's actually not that bad.
It's actually not too bad. Alright. Lucky last.
Yep.
Where we've had starters, we've had salad mains and all sorts of stuff. And now what better way to finish than with a dessert?
The history of the dish is that it is a 19th century dish
That's early.
that maybe was brought back in the 50s or something. When you Google and try and research it, there's not a lot of information, and all that you can find out is that it was basically maybe a southern dish in the 19th century that was still eaten in the 50s, and yeah.
Okay,
So,
I'm intrigued. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Well, there we go. There it is.
It's here.
Woohoo!
It's an ambrosia salad.
Ambrosia.
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 What does that even mean?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it looks delicious. It's got marshmallows, it's got mandarins, it's got coconut. All right, I'm going in.
We doing it?
Yep.
We're doing it.
All right.
Wait. There we go. That's nice.
That's good. It's good. Yeah.
You know what it reminds me of? Have you ever had White Christmas?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
White Christmas.
You know
yeah.
White Christmas, at Christmas time, I don't know what it is, it's like cherries with white chocolate and tastes like that.
That's right. Yes. Very much so. White.
But there's no chocolate in this.
No.
Huh.
That's really yummy.
That tastes like there
I
is.
like it. Delicious. Summer.
The flavour's good.
The marshmallows, maybe.
Texture's good.
Yeah.
Marshmallows, soft,
Yep.
fluffy. Coconut. Sorry, I'm just doing my best impression of
Yep.
Your breast impression.
my breast impression.
Well, thank you for joining us, Dad.
Thank you for being on the show
On the
with
show.
the Fergusons.
Yeah.
And even more Fergusons this
I
time.
know. Don't you think they look alike too?
They broke the mould.
Thank you for joining us, everybody. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching us eat a myriad of questionable food. Yeah.
My poor colon.
Yeah, we're so grateful that you watched, and we hope that you guys got a kick out of it, and you're probably grateful you weren't the ones who actually was eating the food. But we actually found it very easy to make these dishes. They were fantastic to make, easy, and yeah, they basically tasted okay too. I mean, I love the ambrosia salad, so that was my favourite.
So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Make sure you like us on Facebook and you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we're also on Instagram and all of those things. So be sure to check us out and find out what's happening soon with the Fergusons.
With that, see you guys.
I had no idea what he was doing.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
I like aeroplane jelly. Aeroplane jelly for me.